Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really digging into something specific. Video marketing strategy for a Ugandan company, Raz Metal and Aluminum Works.
Yeah, and it's fascinating because they're in this booming market, but facing a really tricky challenge with their brand name.
Right. Our mission today is to see how they can, thrive despite this brand confusion issue.
And it's quite the contrast, isn't it? You've got this Ugandan construction market projected at, what, 6% CAGR growth till 2026, driven by urbanization, investment, huge potential.
A real growth environment.
Totally. But then, bam, this major hurdle. They desperately need a unique brand position because Raz just isn't distinct online.
Okay, let's unpack that ambiguity. Raz online.
Yeah.
What's the actual problem someone searching might face?
Well, it's pretty significant. You search for them, and you might find RAS Steel and Aluminium Works in the UAE, or a scrap metal trader also in the UAE.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, or Raz Metals in Pakistan doing analysis, even RAS Systems in America selling machinery. It's like all over the place.
So, a potential customer looking for metal fabrication in Uganda could easily get lost.
Exactly. Lost leads are one thing, but think about the trust erosion. If you land on a scrap dealer's site first, well, it doesn't exactly scream premium metalworks, does it?
Good point. It creates that little seed of doubt right away. Suggests maybe they aren't quite buttoned up.
Precisely, which is why the strategy has to be crystal clear. Use the full name, Raz Metal and Aluminum Works, and always mention the specific Ugandan locations, Entebbe, Kitoro, Kawempe.
Everywhere. Consistently.
Everywhere. Website, videos, social bios, you name it.
Okay, so clarity is key. But let me push back slightly. On platforms like TikTok or Instagram, isn't that full name Raz Metal and Aluminum Works in Entebbe, Kitoro, Kawempe? A bit, well, long, clunky even.
That's a really good question, and you're right, you can't just slap the full thing everywhere in tiny captions. It's about strategic reinforcement. Well, for those faster platforms, you lean more on consistent visuals, the logo, maybe a short, memorable tagline that points back to the full identity. The full name needs to be easily findable, like in the profile or linked website, but not necessarily spelled out in every single short video.
Got it. Balance clarity with the platform's style. So speaking of the market, what does the competition actually look like over there? Who are they up against?
Oh, it's definitely not a vacuum. It's a lively scene. You've got players like Fabrimart. They seem to target the high-end architects, designers, focus on excellent products, craftsmanship.
Yeah, the luxury niche.
Right. Then there's Eurolumen Ltd. Their angle is more quality at value for money. They even offer a 1-year warranty, 24-hour response time.
All right.
Very service-oriented.
Smart positioning.
And you can't forget Steelworks Limited. They seem to be handling the big stuff, large-scale structural steel. Think B2B, big projects like a warehouse for Uganda breweries.
So diverse competitors, and the market pricing reflects that too, right?
Yeah.
We saw everything from a small gate around US 310,000 up to huge sliding gates at 5 million.
Exactly. That price range just screams segmented demand, doesn't it? You've got your budget-conscious homeowner, your luxury villa owner, and your big industrial client, all needing slightly different messages.
Which leads us perfectly into the video strategy itself. Because how do you talk to all those people? We saw 2 script options, quite different vibes.
Very different. Option 1 was that fast-paced, energetic style, great for grabbing attention quickly on, say, TikTok or Reels, good for broad awareness.
But maybe not ideal for convincing someone to spend on a high-end project.
Probably not. It can lack that depth, that trust-building element, which is where option 2, the story-driven and professional script, comes in. That one's designed to build trust, showcase the expertise, the process. Much better for those high-value B2B or luxury residential clients.
But potentially slower, needs higher production maybe.
Yeah, that's the trade-off. Longer runtime, more investment needed.
So the recommendation wasn't just pick one, was it? It was smarter than that.
Right. It was a hybrid model.
Yeah.
Use that story-driven piece as your main brand anthem. Put it on the website, YouTube channel, show it in consultations. That builds the core trust.
Okay, the foundation.
Then complement that with shorter dynamic clips inspired by the fast-paced style for social media. Think time lapses of installations, cool before and after shots.